Busy, he's got other things. More important things to do. It's called the ukulele. It's not, I'm not 9 feet tall and this guitar doesn't look that small, except it's actually this small. Welcome to Soundcheck. Wow! We have Canadians here, we have Japanese here though, that's the furthest. Taco's from Japan. So she wins. She always wins. She's always the furthest away. Except for when we're in Japan, which works out pretty well for her. The whole show is ukulele tonight. And talking. And nonsense. Let's make that up. Turn it into a song. Get your guitar on, son. Sounds like the intro song of some terrible children's show. Gone awry. Is this anybody's first time seeing the acoustic show? Really? Oh God. Wow. Really? Everybody else is like, shh, buckle in. It's gonna be a long night.
Alright, let's try the acoustic out.
You're not the boss of me. He actually is. Make some noise for Jason. Jason on the sound back there, yeah.
I'm awesome. You're welcome.
I'm awesome. Is this it? This is it, yeah. You've been waiting a lifetime to do that. Yes. It's a true coward who boos from behind backstage.
Okay, guys, I'm not going to look at what you're
Booing from behind, the Todd Kerns story. It's loud, eh? Yeah. Name a song, quick, go. Ariana. There, not bad, right? Just like that. Shouting out songs and I'm just like a robot. Put a quarter in and he'll just play anything. Play Winner Takes All by ABBA. I don't know that one.
Yeah. We got any acoustics we want to try out?
You're disappointed that I wasn't going to play the ABBA song.
I really wanted to hear some ABBA right now.
Does anybody backstage know any ABBA? Frank Sidoris, come out and play some guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, hailing, born and reared. He probably was reared here from Las Vegas, Nevada. That's Frank Sidoris. Best sound check ever, huh? If they were all like this. Oh, you'll probably need a cable. Hang on.
Josh is on his way back to the stage right now. We need more tables.
He doesn't know how to hang without a roadie. He's so big time now. I can't. His assistant assured me that he'd bring a cable, but
big time rock stars tonight.
He's gonna walk. It's a walk-off.
It's his assistant's fault. Don't worry about it.
I think so.
We'll blame it on his assistant.
You know what? Ronaldo really dropped the ball on that one. Ronaldo is his. I don't know. There. See? There's Josh right there. If you see anything go amazingly right tonight, it's Josh. He did it. Anything that goes terribly wrong, you can just blame it on me. I don't really care. Won't change anything about my day. So, after the show tonight, the party will be at Frank Sidoris' house. So, no. He's not invited. Yeah, it won't be there. It's a clothing optional party. Do you have a pool? I don't have a pool. No. Check, hey. Alright. You know why I don't have a pool? Because swimming is stupid. That's why. The sun, I would burst into flames the second I put on my Speedo. Mind you, Frank Sidoris, he'd look good in his Speedo. Just picture it, quick, everybody. Got that guitar on. Woo!
Under this guitar.
Under this guitar, there you go. Okay. That was the most homoerotic moment I've had in the last 20 minutes. The previous 20 minutes were pretty homoerotic back there. Alright. So we don't want to spoil too much. I don't know. I hear your guitar. That's all it's important. Your guitar sounds better than my guitar.
I don't think so.
Yours is black. Yours is a black guitar. That's cooler than mine. Hope you enjoyed Frank at soundcheck because he's not going to be here tonight. Do we play this one, Frank?
I think we're good.
Yeah, you good?
We got, I got 2 more DI boxes, 2 more guitar players.
Who else wants to come up? You want to send up Stratton Wilson if he's there? It's in D, okay. Let's wait till Stratton gets here.
Alright.
We need a real guitar player on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from New Orleans, Louisiana. 13 years old, exactly half my age. Right. Is Josh around for another cable? That'd be a real drag. Sorry, mate. 13 years old, right there on the guitar. Brilliant guitar player. Is this one of the biggest audiences you've ever played to? It's not, is it? You played to bigger audiences than this, haven't you? Once. What was that at? My arraignment? Just kidding. Oh, Jazz Festival. Oh, God. See how highbrow he is? Why is he slumming it with us? Did you want to play something, or just want to make racket, or how does this work?
Whatever you want to do.
I don't feel like we're like some sort of afternoon show, but this really isn't supposed to be a show. It's supposed to be a sound check. But Frank can juggle, so that may occur. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can be something.
You really can.
Do you have a volume control on that acoustic?
Is there volume on that, Daddy? Is it all the way up?
Yeah, let's flatten that EQ out too.
Flatten the EQ. I don't know. Technical talk. No one knows how you guys are talking. I'm pretty sure you make that shit up, actually. Alright, flatten out the EQ.
We just try to sound smart.
Exactly.
So we make everyone else feel dumb.
Reroute the power from the vanadium crystals to the front forward shields. Same stuff. He's got an iPad running the show. Josh is from the future, ladies and gentlemen. He came back in time to run the show tonight.
Josh is an expert at flux capacitors.
And acoustic guitar EQs.
Yes.
What will we do without it?
Hey, keep playing that acoustic, bro.
Right now, Josh is like, I didn't sign up for this.
You're part of the show now, Josh.
Go for it.
Go ahead and play. Anything.
Just play your guitar.
Just play a keyboard. There you go.
Oh shit. I guess you guys know these songs better than we do. Off the road for a month, but it's like I never played guitar before. We're ashamed to sing this song. Awesome. I don't know this. I've heard this song before. Best guitar player on the stage right there, Stratton Wilson. It's all downhill from here, buddy. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Pretty good.
The longer your hair gets, the more seasoned and old, bitter you'll become. It'll be great. Awesome. When I'm sleeping on Stratton's couch in 5 years. The old lady kicked me out.
Frank will be here in a minute.
Frank will be here in a minute. He's just parking the van. We have a van with no windows. It's creepy. Don't talk about it. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Shane Simmons. 14 years old and the only female on the bill tonight, so she's bringing all the estrogen. I'm carrying half the estrogen, but that's a whole other story. You need a cable. Nobody brought cables, Josh. I'm the only one that brought cables. Sorry.
It's Ronaldo's fault.
Ronaldo, yes, I forgot about Ronaldo. We should take this on the road, Jason.
I'm down.
As long as you and I are laughing, that's all that matters.
That's
Just
all
dead silence and people staring at us like we're at a funeral. There you go. So
Go back here, having a good
we
time.
probably have other DIs for more guitar players. See, look at that. So you both can play. Oh my God, it's going to be like guitar-gasm up here. Oh, are you dropped?
I can hear some like 300 building up on the stage, Josh, above the acoustics.
300. Technical talk.
It's part of the quantum reactor.
Just don't cross the streams. That's
Don't
all I
cross
know.
the streams, that's all that matters.
That's all I know. It's the only technical stuff I know. And we're all fired. It would be terrible if this was the show. Good night. Stratton's like, I flew all the way from New Orleans for this nonsense.
Welcome to Vegas.
Welcome to Vegas, exactly. There's your example of born and raised in Vegas. Were you born here, Shane? Oh God. Oh yeah. Sure. I was born here. I've already been to rehab 3 times. Him too. No, he's from Vegas. He's never been to rehab.
We don't go to rehab.
No, exactly. It's Vegas.
We just die.
Yeah, just die. Hey, rats on, everybody. No drama in that camp. Am I right? I love those guys. I love the new guys, too. What the hell's going on over there? Right away, it's like immediately on Twitter, Todd's talking shit. He's talking smack. He said he loved you, but he said, you know. My eyes roll. Stick around long enough, Stratton, you'll be the lead guitar player.
We've been live tweeting this entire sound check anyway.
Exactly. Yeah. We're all blocked. All of our accounts are frozen. Oh, look, who's here? Is that
So
working?
you're ready with the guitar?
No? Oh,
Not
okay.
yet?
Mine on? Mine's on. Yeah, I'm on.
Go ahead and turn your volume up and start strumming that guitar. Or is that
Is your volume up?
cable not working? Is that what's going on?
We're not sure. This is the exciting thing about sound check. Is this everybody's first sound check? Because it's not usually like this. It's usually a lot more uptight and boring. You don't have assholes like me talking into a microphone and a side man named Jason who's just quick feeding it. Yeah, exactly. Did you break your guitar? You're supposed to wait till the end of the song before you break your guitar. Which would be rad, actually. Oh,
Does that guitar have active pickups on it? Also, like, what I'm asking is, do you put a 9-volt in that guitar? No? Is the tuner on? Is the volume all the way up?